Turbo 3 has finally been launched in a new series, which used to be the top-tier variant in the Redmi Note series, like the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Turbo. However, this time they've excluded the Note and simply named it Turbo 3. There are also some new changes in Turbo 3 this time around. Let's see what's new in the Redmi Turbo 3 in this video, and I've already uploaded an unboxing and first impression video of the Redmi Turbo 3. You can find the link in the description below, make sure to check it out. Firstly, let's take a look at the design of the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 3. The back of the phone comes in a gold color with a matte finish, and you also have the option of black and green colors. The design of the back looks quite similar to Redmi's Note series, and you can notice the camera placements resembling the Note 12 Turbo. However, this time around, there's a ring flash included, and the camera setup consists of two lenses. Although the back of the phone should typically be made of plastic, this time it feels harder and somewhat tougher compared to the softer feel of the Note 12 Turbo. Overall, the phone has a relatively simple look, with the camera module being noticeably larger than before, giving it a solid appearance. The presence of a yellow flash on older phones might come to mind, but this phone features dual flash, which glows on both sides, although the entire ring doesn't light up. At the bottom of the phone, you'll find the dual SIM tray, primary microphone, Type-C port, and a bottom-firing speaker. On the top, there's a large speaker and an IR remote control. But if you're looking for the headphone jack, you won't find it here. You'll have to go to the Redmi Turbo 12 for that. The Turbo 3 remains similar to the previous generation Turbo, being extremely thin and lightweight. It weighs just 179 grams and has a thickness of 7.8 millimeters, making it comfortable to hold. If you don't choose the black color for your phone, you'll still get a black colored case with the Turbo 3. Even with the case on, the phone doesn't feel heavy. Talking about the display of the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 3, you get a 67-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution. It boasts a refresh rate of 120 Hz, providing a smooth gaming experience. The screen is flat, which adds to the gaming experience, and the bezels around the screen are slim and uniform. Moreover, there's no plastic bracket between the screen and the frame, unlike the Note 12 Turbo, and the bezels are slightly thinner in the Turbo 3. And this time, their angle also looks better compared to the previous generation. If I'm not mistaken, the bezels on this phone are the thinnest among all Redmi phones. When it comes to brightness, the manual maximum brightness goes up to 553.6 nits, which is stronger compared to the previous generation. But as we know, Redmi's Turbo series is all about performance, so this time, the phone comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 flagship-grade processor. This time, the OS has renamed Performance Mode to Fury Mode. The phone achieves an Antutu running score of over 1.58 million points, while Geekbench SIX's single-core score reaches 1993 points and multi-core score goes up to 5,290 points. The multi-core score surpasses that of the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 processor and comes close to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. When playing Honor of Kings at extremely high frame rates with ultra-high resolution and ultimate picture quality, the average frame rate and power consumption are slightly higher compared to the Note 12 Turbo. However, when playing Genshin Impact at very high image quality with 60 frames per second, the performance on the Turbo 3 is much better. From a performance standpoint, the Turbo 3 is indeed a great phone. This new series from Xiaomi Redmi is entirely focused on performance, and the performance in this series is quite strong. However, the camera performance on the Turbo 3 is average. The phone features a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization and a secondary 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. The main camera uses Sony's LYT600 sensor, which captures sufficient photos in daylight conditions. However, due to the small sensor size, nighttime photos may turn out to be average, with some noticeable noise. The ultra-wide camera utilizes a Sony IMX355 sensor with a sensor size of 4.0 inch. Moreover, the ultra-wide camera also captures good photos during the daytime. You can shoot videos with the main camera in 4K at 60 frames per second and enable the video stabilization mode for stable footage while moving. Talking about the battery and charging of the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 3, it comes with a 5000 mAh battery and a 90-watt fast charger. The charger is similar to the previous generation's 67-watt charger. It takes around 38 minutes to charge the battery from 0 to 100%. You can also see the charging time graph, indicating that the phone features an 0809 X-axis linear motor, providing crisp vibration feedback. Other features include stereo speakers and NFC support. However, it's worth noting that the phone is also equipped with an IP64 water and dust resistance rating, enhancing its durability. Moreover, the animations on the phone are quite smooth, contributing to a great user experience. Overall, the position of the Turbo 3 is similar to the previous generation's Turbo 3. There will be significant improvements in performance this time, mainly because of the use of the Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 processor. However, in terms of price comparison, this phone is cheaper than the Note series. In China, the base variant of the Turbo 3 starts at 1999 Chinese yuan, which translates to around £221 in the UK and approximately $276 in the USA. So, in this price segment, it becomes the highest performing phone. That's why this Turbo 3 phone has been given a new name instead of being included in the Note series. They could have named it the Note 13 Turbo, but they chose not to. Moreover, the bezels on the phone are quite thin this time. The frame of the phone is made of plastic, but it gives a metallic feel like flagship phones. Another thing is that the phone comes with Gorilla Glass Victus protection, providing solid protection to the screen. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.